Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily use Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing tool that you can use for SEO titles, also for the blogs, for YouTube description, and for many things. And I believe after watching this video you will have a better understanding how you can use Rytr. I already signed in, and you're gonna have also a link down below in the description that you can register with. It's an affiliate link, and then you're gonna have option to select the language here. Select a tone when you're going to enter Rytr, and let's say if it's going to appreciative, candid, casual, compassionate, critical, earnest, formal, funny, so I can go with the formal, and then use case. So this is how we do it. So you're going to choose the use case. If it's going to be the blog idea, blog section writing, email, post caption idea. So you're going to have like plenty of options that you can use it for. SMS notification, story plot, video channel description, video idea, testimonial and review. So let's say I'm going to have a blog idea or blog selection, role of is the future, section topic. Yeah, I'm going to name it eToro review. eToro is an investing application, and we are going to write section keywords, eToro, pricing, fees. These are the section keywords. Can be number of variants, one variant, create level. Let's say go with the optimal, none, low, medium, high, or maximal. So like how creative it's going to be. And I'm going to write for me, and let's see how it's going to look like. Now it's going to create for us. And look at this. eToro is social trading investment platform for all retail investors. eToro is one of the few online trading that follows the social trading. And then this is like really amazing. So you see that it wrote us nearly 500 characters. And what you can do is to simply, you can send custom text requests to AI. Right? Or I can come here, I can correct grammar and improve the readability of the text. Or what you can do, you can have option to also rephrase. So you can rephrase select text to make it sound different. So I can click here and rephrase it. Okay, and I can click again and I can write a paragraph on the selected text. So let's say that you can trade on only as with little as $1. And what I'm going to do, I will simply click paragraph. And look what will happen. Bam. Trading on the stock market has always been a difficult task, but with the advent of cryptocurrency, trading still can be cheap and easy. And voila. So this is how we can also do it, right? And what I can do, I can choose it all and write continue writing. See? And now we got even more text here. I'm going to remove my camera now. So as you can see, you're going to have all of this text, which is really amazing. And what you can do, guys, so you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it, strike through, header 1 level, header 2, header 3 level. Then you can have like bulleted list. So I can have like 3. Then I can link it. And this is like really similar to what you would have in a Microsoft Word, what you would have in, let's say, Google Docs. Image, adding a blog quote, or even a highlight text. So I can come here, highlight text. I can make this bold. I can put this to the middle and center it. See? Then you can also text align to the right. You can have option to select all or clear formatting. And then you can also like undo or go forward. And then on the top right, you would see words and characters. And when you have it, you can easily download it, right? And voila, here you're gonna have downloaded, and I can easily open it Word. And this is the text that I have. Pretty simply made by AI. You can of course like choose use cases, and I can simply have call to action, cover letter or email, keywords generator. So I can remove this, and let's say I'm going to have like eToro. Number of variants to write for me. And you can have the related keywords here. Trading platform review. So that's what you can do. You can also go in for product description, SEO meta, video idea. And I can have, let's say, again eToro. And let's see what will happen. eToro review, scam logic, eToro review, how to make money on eToro, right? And that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it, how we can do it. Now, what else can you do? You can also select the language, select the tone. You can always find the history, what you were searching for on the top. Then also the account here, where you can find the usage. And you see credit used this month, you're gonna have out of 10K. You're gonna see how many credits you have. And then you can have the stats here. The team that you can like easily create with. And also a profile. Settings here. And then you can have the rewards. And want to increase your monthly quota. Step 1, post a general review of any Facebook apps on Trustpilot, and then you would have more credits. And then affiliate, right? So if you're going to use also the tool, this tool, and you're going to use the link, then I'm going to get affiliate. So that's what you can have and what you can do. And if you're looking for the best best AI writing tools, Rytr is, I really believe, one of them. So that's pretty much it. You can always find various use cases on various products. Then you can let's say meta description, and you would add page meta. Then job description, and you would add a job role, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.